the government has deployed police countrywide to keep peace in the country. Sanapinda mashuka tukona kuti aiwa panguva ino government aiwa inotungamirwa nemutungamiriri wenyika Masvanonzwa Mnangagwa vachideploya mapurisa aiwa kuti vauye vamende nerunyararo panguva ino irikuonekwa kunzi that is a complete shutdown iri kutanga mangwana. Bhaumushogeza achipusha for the removal wemutungamiriri wenyika. Pana pauno issue a statement ndokuti subscribe like out on the bell kuti munasei mere mapurisa arikuda chinzi. The Zimbabwe Republic Police is ready to ensure that the public is free to engage in all socio-economic activities without fear, intimidation, threats, or harassment on the 22 and 23rd April 2025. The Zimbabwe Republic Police has deployed enough officers throughout the country to effectively maintain law and order, including in central business district, residential areas, industrial areas, and all areas frequented by the public. In this regard, the police will arrest anyone who interferes with the smooth flow of traffic and movement of the public. The public is warned against abusing social media and is urged to totally disregard social media posting meant to cause chaos and alarm in the country. All local and foreign exhibitors attending the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair Exhibitions Forum are assured of their security and safety. Tomashikano blanjo kwa panapa awane the ZVAITWA police wano issue a statement pamsoro awope shutdown iriko mzvara mangona wachiti aiwa vese vemhishwa mukono dzida kukonzeresa awa tinodzibata tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamsoro pechitiko chimene comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.